So here's this drill press I just picked up last week. I liked it because it was obviously quite old and German. There's no information on it anywhere. I've already done the vise, restored the vise. Came with this 3-phase motor, and I've got another motor up there that's exactly the same size, so I think I'm going to go single phase, even though it'd be nice to do a full restoration. It's interesting how these 3 switches, I'm wondering if they're for each leg or they're also running the light. This is a transformer, I think, that yeah, that's some kind of transformer maybe, because it runs the light. I think the light bulb which is there, which goes up in here, which is quite interesting. But yeah, had a good Jacob's chuck on it, which is there. But oh, there's that motor there. That's the same base plate, will fit straight on there. I just have to machine a bushing for it. Spindle is smooth, super smooth. The pulleys are fine, everything's there. That's an old single phase motor that was on it. I was really tempted, but I don't want to have to buy a VFD, even though the speed would be handy. But it's got a solid old table. And yeah, what I want to know is, has anyone ever heard of this company? I know that they still make machinery in that part of Germany, but I can't find any information on it. It would be good to find out a bit. The pedestal's actually quite short. The shaft, it's a bit useless that it hasn't got a secondary table on the underside. It would be really handy if it did. But yeah, if anyone knows anything about it, let me know. Thanks.